In a faraway land, on a rocky cliff by the sea, lived a skua named Skua. Skua was a bird known for his sharp beak, powerful wings, and an insatiable appetite. One day, Skua spotted a fish flopping near the water's edge. He swooped down, grabbed the fish, and flew off, feeling quite proud of his catch. As he was enjoying his meal, a wise old owl named Orion watched from a nearby tree. Orion had been observing Skua for a while and decided it was time to teach him a valuable lesson. "Skua," Orion called out, "you are a strong and intelligent bird, but your greed is causing you harm." Skua, startled, looked at Orion and asked, "What do you mean, Orion?" Orion replied, "Your greed for more and more will lead to your downfall, my friend. Remember, balance is key to a happy life." Skua hesitated, thinking about Orion's words. He looked at his half-eaten fish and realized Orion was right. He had been so focused on obtaining more that he had neglected to appreciate what he already had. From that day on, Skua learned to be content with what he had. He learned to share his catch with the other animals and to appreciate the beauty around him. He became a happier bird because of Orion's lesson. The moral of the story is, greed can lead to an unbalanced life, but appreciating what you have and living with contentment can bring true happiness.